Hey guys, my name's Ian and I'm here with SayHueque, and today we just wanted to share a quick video showing you what you should pack if you're considering taking an adventure to Torres del Paine. As you may or may not know, Torres del Paine is down in Patagonia, and the best time to visit is definitely between October and April. So if you are thinking about taking a trip, we just wanted to show you what you should be planning to bring, because it's one of the questions that we get online and from our travelers all the time. So just starting off, you will definitely want to make sure that you bring the right bags. We recommend bringing one large heavy-duty bag, as well as a smaller one that you can bring with you when you leave the campsite, when you head out of the refuge, and you're looking to just bring a few essential items with you when you are on the trail. So let's start with clothes. You'll definitely want to make sure to have a lot of t-shirts, active shorts, pants, and a lot of underwear and socks. We always say to dress like an onion when you're heading to Patagonia, so that just means a lot of layers. In terms of outerwear, definitely bring a lot of fleeces as well that are thick but also heavy duty. Always a good idea to bring a waterproof shell, both for yourself as well as for your backpacks, because the weather is just super unpredictable. So it may be sunny and beautiful one minute and then downpouring and windy the next. This is your typical jacket that you'll want to bring. Again, it's really heavy duty. It's great to stand up to the elements, so it can really handle whatever the conditions are that day in the region. And these are also super helpful because they're just really versatile. Pants that are heavy duty as well, but also they unzip at the knee so that they can also become shorts if it becomes too hot or you just need to shed some weight. And in terms of footwear, we always recommend sneakers, trekking boots or trekking sandals, depending on where you're going and what time of year, as well as flip-flops even. A lot of times those come in handy as well. And don't forget keeping your outer extremities warm as well, because it can get pretty cold out there. So a really nice high-quality knit beanie, as well as some gloves to keep your hands warm as well. Now, just some of the other essentials that you will want to keep in mind. It's really, really, really important to stay hydrated, so we recommend bringing an insulated bottle that can either keep your hot beverages warm or your cold beverages ice cold. That's a huge one. You'll also want to bring a trekking stick. One like this is great because it easily comes apart and can just slip into your bag, and it really doesn't take up much room whatsoever. And in terms of protecting your eyes and your skin, you're going to be exposed to the elements, so we definitely recommend bringing a high SPF sunscreen and protecting your eyes with some sunglasses as well, preferably polarized, but totally up to you. And it also pays to bring your hygiene goods. This depends on everybody's preference, but some good recommendations are a few clean washcloths. We also recommend some bar soap, as well as toothbrush, toothpaste, and anything else you might need or want. So that could be floss, it could be toothpaste, pretty much anything. And a lot of plastic bags will also come in handy because you can throw them into either a plastic bag or a Ziploc and toss it into your bag without worrying that it's going to explode and destroy everything in there. Some other items that we do want to recommend are definitely your shampoo. First aid kit can be really helpful. You never know what you might run into when you're out on the trail. As well as your pocket knife could come in handy. And a sun hat will also help keep your eyes protected and your face as well. A torch is a good idea, or a flashlight. And last but not least, definitely a camera to capture all those incredible memories, and snacks, because food is going to be limited to wherever you're staying. So you'll want to make sure that you eat up before you head out for the day, and also have a lot of different snacks to keep you energized and fueled up when you're out on the trail. So that's pretty much everything. If you have any other suggestions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and hopefully we will see you out there soon. Thanks for watching.